stretches across the floor. Yes, he goes across the floor. See, look, he's running across the floor. See, he was in the bathroom, but then Daddy came in there and he's like, no, I can't be in here. He rushes out. Where's he going to go next? Next, Ginger Kitten, yes, finds a box. He pushes and squishes, but it's much too small. Look, see, look at the little box he's in. Do you see that box, Charlie? Yes, you do see that box. See that box, Sawyer? The little box that he's trying to fit in? It's too small, huh? Okay, let's turn the page. Oh, we have to turn the page like this. Quickly, he spots the mat in the hall. Look at the mat right there in the hall. Do you see that? Yeah, you want to turn, oh, almost. It's almost going to turn it. You turn it like that. He stretches his two front feet. Yeah. There he claws, scratch. Ginger Kitten loves doing that. He rests his head, but the mat is too prickly to make a nice bed. Oh no, it's not soft enough. It's like a bunch of needles he's laying on. Oh no, ouch. Upstairs he leaps on a softer bed and finds a toy to chew. Almost comfortable until Mommy says, shoo! She says, get off the bed. He's trying to sleep on the bed. He eats a stuffed animal. He tries the closet next, but bumps into his head on the hanging clothes. The floor is covered with pairs of shoes. There isn't a place where the kitten can snooze. Where is he going to go, Sawyer?